So what is the right way to do affiliate marketing? What is the right way? You will see after this. So first, who am I? My name is Khai. So how I start affiliate marketing? How I know and start affiliate marketing? So this is how I start. So first of all, I am an undergraduate and I'm pursuing my study in engineering field. Alright. So because of the pandemic, I can't go to school, go to uni to have my face-to-face class. So every class is go through in online mode. Alright. So you know what? When everything come online, every day is just doing the same things: meeting, assignment, test or quiz, and final exam. And everything is just quite in doing things over and over again. Like doing assignment, it's quite, you know, like in a room, it's quite stressed. Everything is just same, right? So I decide to find something to do. So I decide. So how I decide to do something? So how about I prepare for my future first, right? So how about I do something that can like secure my future first? Because all I do now is just I study, I get a good grade, and I have a good job, right? So have a good salary, like stable income. All right. So why I'm doing this? All just because I want the security, right? So I decide. So how about I doing something now? I got 3 more years, so I decide to build my own business, right? So make money, like find a way to make money first, like an alternative path, right? So I go online. I find opportunity online because we know now in a burst in transforming into digital economy era, right? So because now internet is powerful and full of potential, and people like us is more possible to achieve success, right? So I start finding my path in online. So first of all, I go search for YouTube which field I should go after. Like I start watching video like that, right? So after that, so on the way to watch the video on YouTube, I found like an advertisement pop up. Pop up is like telling me something like affiliate marketing. Like I can make money just through I repost the video on YouTube. Like it's just too easy, right? Then he said I can make the money already. It's like too easy, right? To be honest, that sounds skeptical for me. So I keep digging. I learn more. I keep digging. I want to find out how actually affiliate marketing can make me money, right? So the second information I get is something like this. So I need to like get my affiliate links first. Then affiliate links click into the sales page. Then I need to edit the sales page. Yeah, she tell me that I need to edit the sales page. Like change of the word, change it to my own word, like a bit of attractive, like more catchy, something like that. All right. So after re-edit all the stuff, like make that look like your own, change some of the picture or what, send the headline and the word to my own word. Then I need to put my affiliate links down there. Then that affiliate links send them to the sales page. So it's like I re-edit the sales page and make it my own. All right. Yeah, that's become my own things. Then the link there will send them to the exact sales page. Yeah, something like that. All right. I'm still confused because she didn't tell me how to get people click inside this link, I mean my own page, and to have a chance to get to the sales page, right? So I'm like still confusing because she didn't tell. So what I'm assuming is like I need to spam the link everywhere or what, like figure out a way to let people see that link, right? To promote that link, right? So I still confused. Nothing I can do. I still do nothing. No action can take. I'm still confused. So I guess that's why you are here also, because there's overload information out there. Like you don't know what to start, right? So okay, just I keep digging, right? I watch hours of video, and finally I found one guy tell me something makes sense to me, and he's my mentor now. All right, so this is what he tell that a lot of affiliates or people out there teaching a broken model. All right, broken model, and this is how the broken model first work. All right, yeah, first sending people, all right, sending people to the capture page. So capture page is like for people for you to capture people email, like the people you bring in email. All right, so it's something like a headline there and a blank box to capture the email. All right, so if you look back, it's something like just now like what we said just now, we mentioned just now, like the edit sales page, right? So the words you make it your own and put the affiliate links there. So this is like a process to get people click on your affiliate links there, then get into the sales page. But the difference here is that capture page is like there's a headline there. It's more simple and on one sentence only, like how to make $1,000 per day, $1,000 per day, how to lose 50 pounds in 1 month, or something like that. Then people, if curious or want to learn more, they will leave the email, something like that. But the sales, like the edit sales page down is like a lot of information there. A lot of word there. They need to read, and I don't think that will work, right? So okay, so yeah, okay, something okay. The next one I get is something makes sense already, right? The capture page, and then after they get the email, they send them directly to the broken model is like after you have the email, you send them to the sales page. Like seriously, you just with a headline without get anything to your audience, like the people who leave the email, then you already get them to the sales page to sell them something. Like, do you think that will work? All right. So that's why all right. So this is what you should do. All right. This is what you should do. First, Sam, drive people. Okay. After drive these people to the capture page to leave their email. Sam, this is a right process. All right. So after that, you have their email. You send them to your own value series content first. All right. This is how it works. Your own value series content, and this content you create by your own. All right. You create by your own. Like there's a web page. All right. So first, this thing must be in series. That need to break out into like break out into a few days. Like 4 days is the best, because 4 days is the best to get them know, like, and trust you and buy from you. All right. So 4 days. So you need to create a page, and there will be a title on that, a video, and the video you just very simple. All right. You just need to talk about one single idea about your product. Later I will give you an example. All right. So after, if they get interested with what you say in the video, there will be a call to action button there. You just need to guide them where they can learn more. All right. Yeah. Like you can tell them like this, something like this. If you feel free to check out the link below if you want to know where I learn all this stuff. All right. So then this thing you need to make it for 4 days. All right. Each day you send them one. All right. So the video don't have to be long, like a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes enough. Then you teach them something. You're giving them value. So why 4 days? Because you need to build relationship with them. 4 days is for you. The purpose of 4 days here is for you to build relationship with them. All right. So to get them know, like, and trust you. All right. So this is how it works. So for example, you are now selling a weight loss product. So first day, you can probably talk about like calories intake, because like you tell them something like for men it's like need to 1 day only maximum can like we need 2,000 calories, something like that, and for women, for females it's like 1,800 like some calories like that, something like that only. And if the calories instead is less than the calories you needed, then you can lose weight. All right, so first day you can probably talk something like that, calories intake. Second day you tell them the right exercise, you give them the plan. All right, so second day and the third day you tell them something like the right diet. All right, so the last day you can probably tell them something like the plan, you give them the plan. All right, this is how it works. So yeah, that's all. This is how it works. All right, so now I have a 4 days video training series for you also, so free one. It's free one. All right, so you can just click the link below and leave your email there, then I will send you the training. All right, I will see you there.